In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to research Hindi keywords for India. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main keyword research screen. This tool is useful because it helps you explore search demand, competition levels, and content opportunities based on a specific language and region. For this walkthrough, the goal is to focus on Hindi search behavior in India so the results are as relevant and localized as possible. Next, look for the country or region selector on the page and set it specifically to India. This step is important because keyword data can change a lot from one country to another. Even if a word or phrase looks familiar across multiple regions, the actual search volume, competition, and click trends may be very different. By choosing India directly, you're telling the tool to return data that better reflects the audience you want to reach. After that, move to the main search bar and type in your targeted Hindi keywords. You can enter standard Hindi terms or use Devanagari script characters, depending on how your audience is likely to search. Try to be clear and intentional with the phrase you enter, because the quality of your keyword ideas often depends on the accuracy of your starting term. If you already have a topic in mind, begin with the most direct phrase related to that subject. Once your keyword is entered, click Search. The platform will then generate keyword data based on that term and your selected location. As the results appear, pay attention to the localized traffic information, click metrics, and keyword difficulty scores. These numbers help you understand not just how often people search for a term, but also how competitive it may be and whether it has realistic potential for your content strategy. Finally, review the translation-related options and keyword suggestions shown in the results. This part can be especially helpful when you're looking for low competition search terms for regional Hindi content. Take your time comparing variations because sometimes a slightly different phrasing can have lower difficulty while still attracting valuable traffic. These insights can help you identify stronger opportunities for blog posts, landing pages, videos, or other localized content designed for Hindi-speaking users in India. That's the process for using Ubersuggest to evaluate Hindi keywords with India-specific data. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be in a much better position to choose search terms that are relevant, practical, and easier to rank for.